Welcome viewers to my channel, Real Earth Rocks. Now today I've got a bit of a theory, and that is that volcanoes are not a natural occurring thing, but rather are ancient giant trees which have been chopped down and burned and are still burning. I suggest that the giant trees were chopped down perhaps 200 years ago, perhaps less, and the ring of fire is the trees still burning, and they're under the ocean because to put out the fire the salt water was released. Nevertheless, they're still burning, and from volcanoes come some of the most valuable gems and metals that are used in our daily consumptive lives. Now, I have no actual proof of this. This is only based on my research. This particular website, volcano.oregonstate.edu book export HTML. Okay, they say here, can your knowledge of volcanic rocks make you rich? Yes. That is, if you combine it with the knowledge of mineral deposits, economic factors. Volcanoes directly or indirectly produce or host deposits of aluminium, diamonds, gold, nickel, lead, zinc and copper. Now, if nothing else, right there, without a shadow of a doubt, is a very motivating factor, and all of these things have been created by the destruction of the tree that once existed, which was then chopped down and burned, so that all its sap has become the various stones and rocks that are now found inside of volcanoes. It says here, other gems and minerals which are formed from magmas include peridot, zircon, which is a type of diamond, aquamarine, fluorite, and quartzes. I asked the question, are diamonds formed inside volcanoes? Because I thought, well, that would be a very motivating fact in chopping down the tree and burning it if you're going to get diamonds out of the deal. And guess what? Yes, diamonds are found inside volcanoes. This particular website, UCSB Science Line, or ucsb.edu, and they say here that the gold is formed inside a magma, which is obviously created inside a volcano. And they say it's because it gets hot and cold and it does this and it does that. The water cools near the surface, minerals like gold crystallise, etc., etc. Lode gold deposits are intimately associated with orogeny and other plate collision events. What is orogeny? A process in which the selection of the Earth's crust is folded and deformed by lateral compression to form a mountain range. World's most amazing gemstone found inside a volcano. Look at that. 6.5 carats of a helenite necklace. Pretty impressive. Pyramid means fire in the middle. And this is a video here of a volcano, the Mayon volcano eruption from 2013. What I wanted to point out was how much it looks like a tree that has been cut down and burned. I contend that pyramids were originally living organisms that were killed and then shaped into a pointy thing. And volcanoes, a lot of people agree, are probably the remnants of mining. Chemical waste dump, if you will. But my hypothesis is that the volcano itself was a living thing, a giant tree organism. Mountains, like the Earth, are alive in my humble opinion, and I believe that volcanoes have been set alight by perhaps human beings that don't care about the planet. There's perhaps two sets of human beings on the planet, one that do care and one that don't. This has been done by those that don't care. You can see that it's looks like a controlled demolition almost, some of the explosions that occur in volcanoes when you do a little bit of research. And of course volcanoes contain some of the most precious, or the most precious items that we collect on Earth, being diamonds and gold and all the crystals and metals in between. So yeah, just a bit of a thought. I don't know if it's true, but I do not believe that the Earth just explodes randomly for no reason whatsoever. I believe that the Earth was once a beautiful garden and that it has been totally destroyed. Who by? I can't say. But you can see that every single day more trees are being chopped down, more nature is being destroyed. Absolute disregard for anything natural or nature. No animal has any rights whatsoever. And the Earth itself is treated like a second-hand citizen. And all so that somebody, some nameless somebody, ends up very rich. Thanks for watching.